How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2014 Audi Q5, 73,000 original miles on it. It is a premium. So this one actually has a 2.0 four-cylinder engine. It's all-wheel drive. It's turbo, panoramic roof, leather, Bluetooth, multi-zone climate, heated seats. As you can see, the outside is really like blemish-free. Check out the inside here. Really clean leather, as you can see. Nice panel roof. Shade is up right now. Really nice seats are in great shape. Really well kept car. We'll go ahead and start her up. She has 73,324 miles. And if there's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a holler. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Also check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for checking out our video. And if you have repair needs for Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche, or you have another foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, give us a holler. We'll definitely help you out.